It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas around here. Y'all come inside and let's make candied pecans today. This is a favorite holiday treat to snack on while I'm busy with Christmas details. I'm going to start out by melting 3 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to separate out 1 large egg white. Put your egg white in a mixing bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a splash of vanilla. And also I'm going to go get those 3 tablespoons of butter that I melted. Now, while that's mixing and getting somewhat frothy, get you a mixing bowl and add 1/3 cup brown sugar and 1/3 cup white sugar. We like cinnamon, so I added maybe 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then take and whisk this together well. You want to get it all mixed together. Now, let's get our egg white mixture. We're going to pour our pecans in it and stir them till you get them good and wet. That way all this sugary goodness will stick to them. Add your sugar and mix. I like a lot of goody on each pecan. Now, you just get you a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, pour them out on it and spread them evenly so they're not touching. And you'll want to bake them in a 250-degree oven for a total of 45 minutes. Now, I stir and turn mine every 15 minutes so that they don't get too done on one side. Take them out, let them cool, and put them in a pretty candy dish. Now, the whole house smells like Christmas, and I love it. I do hope everyone can take just a moment of their time, sit down and really reflect on what Christmas is and what it means. Merry Christmas, everybody.